You see your life? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back on the show. And our later show with the Ebola virus.
Shoot. Wiggy, war.
That just spread from my couch. Anyhow.
Wait, excuse me. It's called late night show.
Yes.
People when they watch us,
yes.
they sleep like this. They watch us.
Yes.
So they relax.
So maybe we say sleep.
So maybe we
like
sleep.
That.
They outside them.
Okay. So that's what we can do.
So that's
Odogwu.
Yeah.
You are no longer Odogwu.
Yeah.
But Ebola virus. Ebola virus.
It's not that show, so we can't kill ourselves.
No.
It's not that
a whole day at work.
Happy, enjoy yourself. What's wrong with you?
Rich men. That's what they talk. If you don't hear anything, what do you have to say about the economy? They're just looting. Okay, what you talk now? They're only looting we hear.
It's late night show, so we can't not be more. If say that morning shall go sit down, if say that afternoon shall go there. For crying out loud, it's not evening show. It's called late.
Okay.
People go they watch and go they sleep for bed.
I say what I say. People go they watch and go.
They don't late.
Odogwu,
yeah.
the comedy machine.
Yes, sir.
First, the only reason why I carry you come here because you don't did this show before. Now because something they come.
Yeah.
But before going to all those ones now.
Yeah. You know, when you time reach for that one, I'm going to sit down where talk about.
Okay, quickly, because we don't carry come here before, you don't talk all the tea, you don't talk history, you don't talk plenty things. And the Sylvester where you originally build, and the former righteous pastor where you come be later.
Yeah.
Before you come enter Odogwu, they call you comedy machine.
Yeah.
Before that girl come for your career, now come call you Ebola virus.
Yeah.
Now, Odogwu, we get some pictures where we'll go show.
Yeah.
But first, you be Igbo boy.
Yeah.
Where they behave like Yoruba boy. Explain to us what be the diversity. Now only you be Nigeria.
My brother now also. Now also, my brother. You get the way you say you go take leave your country. Come here.
Yes.
Things come to work out for you.
Yes.
And for that place where you did before.
You know,
you go claim citizen now.
No be lie, I know some people who don't claim Nigerian citizen.
Not true now.
Yes.
You go claim citizen. No be say not they work for my state. Imo state, Aba. Yeah, land of promise.
So you agree to your Imo state people.
Now they go village now. What's wrong with you?
Agree them for TV.
Imo kwenu. No rienu. Wanu. Una no. Anbekele no. Afambo Odogwu one. Anakpam comedy machine. Chai. And that be silent and rich.
Oh yeah, now what you do that? Say you can't give the Yoruba ones now.
You say me o bawo ni o se wa. Le. Eko ni ba je o baje ti. Tai. Oni kini ni, ini ni mode, ini ni. Ọjọ́ tí fún bá kọ gbọlọ, ọjọ́ lọ sígun wẹrẹ. I go 2 o'clock lọ mo school ma jáde. Friday 1 o'clock.
I say make you do it. You talk to I go school ni mo.
All right. Ẹ̀yin tèmi bá oríṣẹ́ wa àpáṣá orúkọ mi ni Odogwu. Ó máa ń pè mí ní comedy machine. Lórí late night show òun la wà. Tá ń gbádùn mi àti ọgbọlọ. Ṣé wa àpáṣá. Ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo. Skibo.
All right, quickly Odogwu. Now, how it be now? Because now you are a father to a...
Yes, sir.
Wait first, never rush. What's your daughter name?
My daughter name. I don't say you want to use that name.
What's your name?
Okay, my daughter name now. Her name is Behira.
Behira.
Yes,
wait.
Behira.
Now Jewish name?
No, na Hebrew name.
Hebrew name.
Yeah.
Okay.
Behira.
Hebrew get women at the way.
Behira means light.
Light. Why do you call her Ino?
No, na Imole.
Imole.
It's called Imole.
Okay.
That's Behira, light.
Okay.
That's the meaning.
How you go to find? Because I know. Well, Odogwu I know originally. Now Bible scholar he be. Before he call spoil. This picture now on Father's Day. On Father's Day, because he dey misbehave plenty. What you go talk to? What you dey do for here? Explain what you dey do for this place.
And they show. Na Father's Day na father love. I tell my wife say, abeg, I won't carry my ticket for back.
Oh, no be say na your wife force you.
No be say na my wife force me. I just I wan carry her show and see her that she dey there. That's Behira. Na my daughter, fine girl.
Yes.
She no dey allow me. Na the girl dey chop.
Before. but I be like this
She
now.
dey chop.
Easy, we supposed to clap for her.
No, we're supposed to clap.
You know, because for me, that picture represents a lot.
Yeah.
It tells you, yes, our Nigerian men feel also.
Whatever a woman can do.
Yes.
Whatever we can do it better.
Yes.
Not single men, married men. Hello, excuse me, no be you.
He did it.
We get plans.
He did it. Shout yes.
See
You
your
know the
babe.
shape.
That's your babe.
You
right
know the
there.
shame.
Why
Yeah,
would
yes,
she?
that's my wife. That's my wife there.
Odogwu.
When I go to show my wife for national TV?
Well, come on, what's wrong with
When
you?
I go to show her?
No, we have to show.
Remove her now. What do I?
I say, want to see, remove that useless.
You know, please, you know, Obolo. He dey use this to fight trouble.
No.
He dey use this to
You
fight
are a
trouble.
married man. A married man must be known in the universe to be a married man. So today, everybody for the whole world, if Odogwu dey worry you, see your wife here. Make we don't know say that she be that.
Yeah, that's my lovely wife. She's a princess, so.
Yes.
She's a princess of Ikare Akoko. Her papa na king.
Papa na king.
So I'm married to Odogwu man. Anibo man wey dey marry Yoruba. You see, say we don't try to break this. How would I call it now? This issue of say you can't marry from another tribe, you can't marry from another tribe. No. Thank God that people don't get understanding of say we are one
in this country.
Love fit carry you go Kafanchan, me go see your wife.
True.
For the person where you say you date one Igbo girl, no me say you go marry am. If you just say the person will say go come show you where go be mother of your children, and one girl from, if you say as you be Igbo now, one girl from India. You understand? So
Yes.
now so love carry me go on those states, go marry.
So she now she be from the Momo family.
From royal family, yes. From a royal home.
Royal home. But not
Yeah.
be from I know Momo family will be Momo family.
No, she's from a royal home.
Just a
from a royal
okay. Anyway, Odogwu, I not follow you talk too many talk. Now your show now where they come up. Bam! Sit down where now. Let's talk. So now
May I first show the picture first.
okay,
But
see the picture.
Put her. Now business
show.
now. I not sleep again.
So the bet of the comedy machine.
Yeah, not be the bet.
No be the bet.
No, this is comedy machine. You don't dey. May I not put that one way guy. Now you get one way. Now in the
brother. Any one at a time they thought this.
All right.
So standing ovation with Odogwu.
Yeah.
So tell us.
Standing ovation with Odogwu na next week Sunday on the 16th of August is going to be electrifying. As the show go catch fire, it go catch fire. The people we go spoil the stage. We say they go scatter up. You see this. Man, no use foul language, but this foul.
No, forget. I will dey there. You don't be the team where you want to.
People go there now. Okay, Bakassi, Gordon, Gandoki, Gandoki go there. Didon go there. Emeka Smith, Acapella, Ogbolo, Funny Bone, Senator, Ajay Baba Bo, Jones Koloma, ATM.
Music
that Black Magic, MC Galazi.
Hey, second.
Then Adekunle go, Jengbi Elole, Wami mi reti ogo. You know, Jafet Strash, ADXL, Keshofobi, Vintage Band, and so many like that. No, you know they there. You know they there. No go come somebody who say call the expect kick so that
I see King.
I know
somewhere.
Where you see King?
No be Reverend King.
So that the people will go there August 6th. Now the best way they package this show now Emperor's Palace Entertainment. Emperor's Palace Entertainment. So
basically, 16th
August.
Of August.
Muson Center.
Go on.
Shell Hall. Live. Yeah.
This war comedy. One the person here go your boss.
You know the reason why? My brother, we don't born.
You must buy diaper.
You must buy diaper. You must feed your wife. You must feed family.
Nobody want here.
Yeah. In-law day though. In-law they come.
In-law see day.
In-law.
Oh, blagada.
This one when they talk say you marry your wife. So no do you and your wife go there. Now lie you.
Hey.
Now lie.
They go open house.
You go marry everybody.
Now the family they marry now.
Come to the way you get one day we say my mother-in-law come in. One day I know they man. As you come here and pick. Say yeah now. Sorry. The number we are trying to call is switched off. Now you say, oh, yeah.
But that's your wife, man. You change that for you now. Oh, yeah. You first salon. Oh, le salon. Odogwu. Henry. Abi. Let me say this speaking.
And
Yoruba
I saw
language.
the matter will be on that day.
On the 16th.
On the 16th. Like,
Then I just like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, about 4 days after my birthday. Yes.
After.
No,
Before now.
Before my birthday.
So you don't know the meaning of prefix and suffix.
See this one.
Prefix.
See,
And suffix.
explain now.
Now,
Prefix.
prefix can be defined
Yes.
as a process
Yes.
in which,
Yes.
or you can call it as a cause,
Yes.
or a variety expression
Yes.
that can verify. Prefix.
Yes, prefix.
But suffix
is
just.
you know I explain that one, no? Just explain the second one. Suffix.
Suffix
Yes.
is when you surface.
Of the fix. Metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis can be defined
Yes.
as the process
Yes.
in which,
Yes.
Metamorphose.
or you can define it like this again.
Yes.
That metamorphosis is a process or an advancement
Yes.
of, as in, you know what I'm talking about?
No.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay. Let's ask Google.
Google don't spoil everybody.
Yeah.
Nobody worry again.
Nobody worry.
Anything now. Google it. Anyway, Odogwu 16th, come 16th, we'll go there.
Oh, yes.
And for Muson Center.
Muson Center live
Yes.
for the show go catch fire.
Everybody go there.
I never talk the whole information.
What do you
finish
mean
now.
again?
See where they go buy ticket.
Ticket. Or your ticket.
Uh-huh.
How much?
Ticket regular is 5,000 naira.
Okay.
VIP 10,000 naira. Table for, let me do like man of God.
Yeah.
Table for 3. 300,000. Table for 8.
Yeah.
300,000 naira.
Yeah.
You can get your ticket at ariaticket.com.
Yes.
Or quickteller.com. Or quickteller.com. Or dealday.com.
Yes.
Or jumia.com.
Yes.
If you want to get your ticket,
Yes.
you can go online. You can walk into any street sensation all over Nigeria, most especially Lagos. Okpebi is selling ticket. Bode Thomas Street Sensation is selling ticket. Street Sensation. Everybody want you. Everybody calm down. I don't.
Water.
Sweet Sensation
Yes.
Ikoyi selling ticket. Sweet Sensation Adeola Odeku is selling ticket.
Yes.
Sweet Sensation Bode Thomas is selling ticket. Sweet Sensation outlets all over they are selling ticket.
Now if I talk, sis,
but
now
if
they-
you want to call for ticket reservation, please dial this number 080 35 39 6838. I take it again for those who are coming for the first time. Take this number again. If you are coming for the first time, you want the man of God to fellowship with you on the 16th of August at Muson Center. Write this number now and God will touch you. 080 35 39 6838. Please, the Lord is waiting for you. August 16, many men of God will be coming that day. Udebakasi, Gordons, Gandoki, Ogbolo, Emeka Smith, and musical artists that will minister to us in worship and in praise, like Evangelist Black Magic, Prophet Galaxy, Pastor Adekunle Gold, Apostle Bishop Jafestra, and Doctorate Honorable Vintage Band. Make it a date with the Lord, and Jesus will bless you. Take it outside, Koroba. Bring it inside basket.
You don't do. Sorry. This hustle, we died here. Okay. Anyway, you don't hear everything. You don't get what you want to again. Okay, so more go for one quick break. But I will come back from the break with Amadi go perform for us sharply. una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.